Peter Kyrus. Peter Kyrus is mentioned in a scientific paper as a co-author on a study about the antibiotic potential of the plant Gymnema sylvestri. Gymnema sylvestri, a plant widespread in India and other tropical regions, is well known for its traditional use in Ayurvedic medicine to help manage diabetes. Role of Gymnema sylvestri. The plant, often called sugar destroyer or gurmar in Hindi, contains active compounds known as gymnemic acids that contribute to its antidiabetic effects. Its mechanism of action included: first one is suppressing sweet taste. Gymnemic acids can temporarily block sugar receptors on the tongue, reducing the pleasantness and desire of sweet foods. Second one is inhibiting glucose absorption. Second one is in Second one is inhibiting glucose absorption. It can help prevent sugar molecules from being absorbed by the intestine, leading to a reduction in blood glucose level. Enhancing insulin secretion. Studied suggests that extract can stimulate insulin secretion from the pancreas and potentially regenerate beta cells in type 2 diabetic patient. Next one is improving glucose utilization. It may enhance glucose uptake in tissue and improve the body's efficiency in using insulin. And research. After this, after this research, some results is found. We are showing here research context. In this paper, co-authored by Peter Sidus. Who is co-authored? Peter Sidus. The researchers explored the anti-diabetic properties of different extracts of Gymnema sylvestri using animal models of evaluate their effects on blood glucose levels. The study is part of a broader body to research investing herbal and natural therapies for diabetes management due to their potential efficacy and fewer side effects compared to some conventional medications. While promising the use of Gymnema extracts as a treatment is not standardized or approved as a oral therapy for any medical condition in the United States, and long-term safety has not been fully documented in humans. Individuals should consult a healthcare professional before using it, especially if they are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have upcoming surgery. So we are studying about Gymnema sylvestri. So you know about Gymnema sylvestri. So now it's finished this topic here. So you understood this topic, and subscribe my channel, and follow my video about these topics. Thank you.